battery life on the Moto G series has always been acceptable, but not stunning, and it's a very similar case here with the Moto G6. Both the newly launched Moto G6 Play and Moto E5 Plus have a much bigger focus on long-life battery with 4000 mAh and 5200 mAh cells in respectively, but the Moto G6 only has a 3000 mAh battery. That said, it still offers a full day from a single charge with mixed usage. One of the days we were testing it, we really put it through its paces and it needed a recharge at around 6 p.m, but if with average usage you should find it'll last you through bed. Unlike those other Motorola products though, this is never going to last you for more than a single day. You will need to recharge this overnight. If you expect to use your phone relatively little, you'll find the Moto G6 battery to be between good and great, while if you use it a little more often than that you'll find it to just be good. We ran our video battery test on the phone where we play a video at top brightness for 90 minutes and it came out the other side with 79% of its battery left over. That's not as good as the Moto G5S that lost 16% of its battery, but it is better than the Moto G5 that lost 22%. Charging is simple through the USB-C cable at the bottom of the phone, and there's also Motorola's Turbo Power charging feature too. That means if you use the official charging brick you'll get usage out of the phone for hours from only half an hour's charge or so. We found the fast charging feature to work particularly well, but there's no wireless charging here, and if you're invested in the tech you'll be disappointed the glass-backed phone isn't capable of that.